Mondene sub-county ya Borist Rachel Mugono rete aciari kuika mubango jwa kithomo jwa CBE jurende ju zurikuka gitene gakaugite kuri aciari baba ingi bateonekete kunganirwa nikire bakuga nibo kwaga kwerwa mubango jujo bakiuga ni murigo kiribo ni arakinya orete skuru chantu kiumbe kwandika ari mubarabari na kithomo kiria gikwendeka.
Murugamiri wa kithomo Borist no Rachel Mugono arombete aciari kuimberia kithomo kia CBE gitumi nontu aciari baraba ingi mwankirathi no batekira kithomo giki manani.
One of the complaints I have received from the teachers was that the parents are not ready to be engaged with the teaching and learning in CBE. Let us be very active. Let us be committed to our teaching and learning of our learners.
Aciari bagatigira nguge arimu mwarimu mbere imuciari nakinya mwana umakire ninde mwarimu eretheirwo thene erethe gitera skulu mwarimu ura mwega imuciari kenda na babetu bakagia mentality ya kwenda skulu batigae manto ya mathukuta ya bakuthirija kwithia skulu.
Amwe na Boborecho na kuromba nkinya tongoria bachukuru cia kiumbi cho private school bakara kwandika rimo bagatigagira bakwandika rimo bara bathomerete wire no kaingo murito na kithomo kiega.
Private directors, we have a lot of challenges. We groom the teachers and then the TSC takes them for the permanent job. It is a challenge, but when we are replacing them, kindly ensure you go for also quality. I visited another private school where I found the teachers in that school are not trained. The teachers in that school are teachers who are from four leavers. Some are teachers who did careers that were not related to teaching. And so that means that the school was actually mandering the learners. Let me call it mandering. Because now if you bring somebody who is not trained to teach the learners, that person is not going to deliver.
Bobo aretwe kiri kiatho gia kurugura irachi bia junior secondary school ya Wasteland kuranginya ciari bakuga mbasi cia cukuru mwanya mwanya itikinya cukuru kagita karaka bateri nontu barabara kuthukanga.
Nagwa tugukare na dedication ya classroom turaka irasi turaka kia grade 8 grade 9 grade 7 ngai turakire rap na computer room na ICT class jiracia naja ngochokeria MP onaja nkatho nontu indorona rengire mbari erima ngande akari membari yake nare menjira cionte kenda aciari banaja bagaikaiana bao skuru ira bakwenda batena thina
na thirikari ite na mbere gututethia nontu twategera tukuona rimwe kuringana na kiroferia ire ndene ya bure kana Kenya kwa ujumla aciari bakuinyereka mono kwa thirikari nejo kionjukumu pethera bena kibao mbere gutetheria aciari kenda ana betu bethera be tegemeo ya ruju
usoroke na masaindi taiji cia nkando batio magwita kugira ritwano nontu njira oteo ko inya bara batu tuguicomia bakaikureta ndeje atoikaira na eturo no nikenda bakomba kuona quality njega ya kithomo
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Bore nke report ra Wero Njuma nyo kambitaga ki Mutegi.